Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 29th tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we'll be checking out some scroll bar properties in CSS. As you can see, for this tutorial I've created a file called scroll.html, and in this file I have applied a few properties to the paragraph element within the style section. So I've created a border for all paragraphs. The border is going to be 2 pixels thick, solid and black. And then I've also set the maximum height and maximum width to 250 pixels each. And then we have overflow property, which we are going to encounter for the first time in the course. We haven't seen it in the past tutorials. And then I've also floated all the content to the left of the page. And then within the body I have an H1 level heading which has the text "Sweet Child of Mine," and then within the paragraph text tags I have the lyrics from the song "Sweet Child of Mine," right? So when I see this page in my browser, this is how it looks. So there's a box that has 2 pixels thick border. It's solid and black, and as you can see, the dimensions of the box uh, do not allow the text to be contained, as in the box is not large enough for the text to be sufficiently contained, so the text is overflowing. And if you want to prevent this, then there are a bunch of values that you can supply to the overflow property, and we're going to check them out one by one. So the first value that you can give is hidden, right? So when you type hidden here, save and refresh the page, you'll only be able to see the text that can be fit inside this box, and the text that cannot be fit will not be shown, right? So this is not really cool. It restricts the user from seeing the entire text, or in this case the entire lyrics of the song. But sometimes people do like to use this value, and if it suits your cause, then you can use it. But the one that appeals to me the most is auto, right? So if you would type the auto property, save the file and refresh, you would see a nice little scroll bar that you can use to just scroll inside this box and view the entire text. And if you would increase the dimensions of this box to 1000 pixels, let's change the maximum height to 1000 pixels as well as the maximum width 2000 pixels. I'll save the file, and when I refresh it in my browser, we see that we no longer have the scroll bar because it's not required, right? The box now is large enough to contain the text. But if you use the scroll property, you will always have the scroll bar irrespective of the dimensions of your box. You'll always have the scroll bar. So I've put scroll here, and when I refresh, we see that the scroll bar is back, but it's not active because it's not required. And if I would reduce the dimensions of the box again to let's say 300 pixels height and 300 pixels width, we'll have the scroll bar still, but it will become active now because again the text is the box is not large enough to fit all the text. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys had fun watching this one. You may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.